Alright, in this video we are going to look at the power and sleep options in the Windows Settings app. So this is just a very basic screen here. So essentially what you're going to be presented with is options for your screen and when the computer goes to sleep. Your options will again look different if you are using a laptop or tablet that can run off battery. In this case I'm just recording here on a desktop computer. So basically the only option I'm going to have is when the system is plugged in. So it's currently set after 15 minutes to turn the screens off, which basically they will just kind of go to a power save option to conserve energy. And I have my computer set to never go to sleep. But again, if you want the computer to not stay on and go off after a certain amount of time, you just set it, and what that's going to do is essentially it's going to save your current working session and put your your computer into a low power state where it is essentially almost off. So this screen is going to be an option where if you want more additional options, you're going to have to come here, click the additional power settings link, and what this is going to do is actually throw you back into the control panel. So this is what I was kind of mentioning in an earlier video when talking about the control panel in the Windows Settings app. So basically Microsoft has still not put everything quite in one place. I would imagine eventually they will, with each iteration of Windows 10, move more and more to consolidating into one section. So again, here you'll have a lot of these similar options. In this case, I'm just on a balance plan, but based on how I've set, I've made some adjustments to how that works. So again, the same settings you have on the screen here is what you see here: turn off display, put computer to sleep. But then you have advanced power settings. You normally will not need to come in here, but I just want to show you that you have all these additional options. One thing to note, if you are having connectivity issues when running on a wireless setup, you may want to check your adapter settings, and this is one spot. And in a future video I'll cover, there's another spot in Device Manager you can go into to also tell the system to never turn off the wireless adapter. So I'm going to cancel this, go back to the previous screen. So if you have multiple power buttons, you can change what they do here. So when you press the power button, it shuts down, and also when you press the sleep button, if you have a sleep button, it'll put the computer to sleep. You can change that. There also is sleep and hibernate, or you can just choose turn off display or do nothing. In a future video I will also go into a more detailed explanation of the difference between sleep and hibernate as well. But again, if you have questions, comments, leave them below the video, or preferably in the video survey, note the video code, and we will put out updated video or add comments to respond. So that is pretty much it for the power and sleep options. In the next video we will look at the storage options.